Vitalshot. Vitalshot instantly rebuilds and repairs the bonds of the hair for stronger, healthier hair. You can add it to the hair for an instant keratin boost to help rebuild and repair bonds in the hair from the inside out. You can also add this to your color and lightening services to strengthen bonds, increase vibrancy, and to protect hair. You do not have to change any color formulations when adding Vitalshot, and it does not leave any residual residue on the hair at all. You can also add Vitalshot to a mask to help restore, moisturize, and protect hair.